you doing? I'm Josh with Wooden Essentials. Today I'm going to make a bed frame. My daughter needed a new bed frame and I figured why not build one. All the lumber that I'm going to use I got at the big box store, and I'm going to try to do it with just a miter saw. I was looking online for ideas. I seen one that was really expensive. I liked it, so I decided to try to build it myself. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the legs for the headboard and the footboard. After the 4x4, I'm going to take a smaller board like this, cut it down, so that way I could attach it to the 4x4s on each end. And then my idea is to take other boards and kind of go along. You'll see what I mean. I got the headboard pretty much together. I'm going to put another board going across the top and one on top of that one. Kind of give it a better look. So what I'm going to do is go to the miter saw, cut two boards down. One of them, I'm going to leave a little bit of an overhang. I'm not sure exactly how long yet. I'm thinking 1/2 inch, maybe 1 inch overhang. Now I got everything put together. I'm going to go ahead and sand this one, then put together the footboard, sand that one, then the side rails, then I'll sand everything else. I got the back and the front of the headboards done. Next, I'm going to cut the side rails, and I'm going to use these little things. I'm going to use these to connect the side rails to the head and the footboard. It's real simple. Little prongs go into the headboard. And this will go onto the side rail and just locking it into place. Here it is, another day. Now I'm going to stain it. But before I stain it, I'm going to use this pre-stain conditioner. I go ahead and I apply it, let it sit for a couple minutes, wipe off the excess, and then you let everything go for, I think, it says it on here, I think it's like 10-15 minutes. So all that's left now is to cut the slats for the bed to sit on. I'm going to go ahead and cut 5 of them. I'm thinking for that size, 5 should be good. If I feel like it needs more, obviously I'll add more. Thanks for watching. I got big plans this year. This is the first video of the year. I got a lot of great ideas I want to do. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. Also, leave a comment. If you like this video, go ahead and check on one of the other videos I got.